In this video, I'll show you how to track mileage in QuickBooks. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, go to Mileage from the left sidebar. If you don't see mileage, open the main menu and look under Expenses or Business Overview. Now click Add Trip to manually record a business trip. Enter your starting location and destination, then select the trip date and mark the trip as business or personal. After that, add a description or purpose for the trip and select a customer or project if you need to associate the mileage with one. QuickBooks can calculate the distance based on the locations you enter. Next, review the mileage and make sure the starting point, destination, date, and trip type are correct. If your version of QuickBooks supports automatic mileage tracking through the mobile app, you can enable that feature to record eligible trips automatically. Now, continue adding your business trips and keep personal trips separate. After that, review your mileage regularly and correct any trips that were categorized incorrectly. Finally, use your mileage records when reviewing expenses and preparing your financial reports or tax information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track mileage in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.